this just might be the perfect getaway from Kingston. So I called a couple of my friends and I said, yo, let's drive. It was about 40 minutes and then we ended up here at Tapioca Getaway. And the pictures online do not do this place any justice.
Guys, Sing is getting us there all by his lonesome. Hi, how you doing?
I'm great actually.
How's your day going so far?
I'm having a good time. I'm happy I'm with people who just like to have a good time too, you know. I'm just in a different location, but I don't want them in yard right now. I sat there, big set them supposed to them in yard.
Good. Where are you right now?
Then I St. Mary, my dog. We leave.
But there's somewhere where Valley and Sing go though.
Black 40 for my belly, my cloth, I'm ready. Your dog, she told you ready.
Hey!
Have a million on my back, the cash up, stocks and bonds now, start driving. Bert, I saw my father rocking our mouth.
They actually have a few activities. You can do kayaking, you can do paddleboat, and there's even a little rope that you can jump off into the water with. And obviously because I'm new to this, my drone crashed. Honestly, I enjoyed this place so much I barely got any clips, and that's why